And we're back, guys. As you can see, we almost, I would say we're like 40% done with this ROYCE Phantom. Make sure to stay tuned. We're going to show you guys the final product. You don't want to miss this. And then after that, after the wrap, we're going to start with the interior. We're going to turn that into red. What you see right now is going to be red. I like this color though. The color is pretty cool. I like it, but the customer wants it red. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And then we're going to keep you guys updated. All right, stay tuned. See you guys. Bye.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the